pit and Nemo's place. This is my own place. See two doors there. Sign. So you see the mix in this mortar. I just want to show you where they put in this mortar. Somebody's putting it, my masonite is putting it. Now we got qualified masonites in Sierra Leone. So, he's doing a great job for me, you know. And it's like cost effective. When I say cost, it's not cheap, but it's making sure things are done the right way. You know what I mean? It's my brother, trust me. The work he's doing it's not even equivalent to the money I pay him. You know what I mean? So it's just showing love. I think it wants to rain. I'll show you the beautiful sky. See? It's buildings blocking it. All these things. Wow. The river come. It wants to rain. That is sky. No. Tell you. This is Sierra Leone. Just keeps the place soccer there. We used to play the same game. Like we start facing stance and kick the ball, and one person has a goal. You should hit the ball, or you head it, or you kick it to the post. So you see there. So if you score, when you score, then you can go to the goal post if you wish or you want. You can see working on it, putting the concrete. Yeah. You see. So that's what we're gonna do. Soon the noise is beautiful. I want to make it nice, trust me. And you see it's like a background when this is done, all done, then you see something different. And this place. You're gonna see the door, that's the door. And the door is gonna be well designed. You know what I mean? So you see the guy with the plates, he's the guy who brought us sand. He said that's guy, I've known him for a very long time in this area. He minds his own business. He's not gonna really get to people's business, but you know, as long as you take nice to him. So he's the one who brought the sand. So I'm gonna show you the sand that he brought for me. It's a gravel. Normally, like it's just in Kenya too. It's the same thing, just like that they refer to it as sand. So, but it's, I think that's number 3 because it's having a lot of rocks, but it's good for what we're trying to do over there. So, which is a great thing. So they, you know, I always said people, everybody is important to the community. Don't look down on people. Everybody is important. Everybody. It doesn't matter. Most times, like people, if you're watching from Sierra Leone or from Ture Drive, you know this person. But most times it's like, you know, he does his own thing. He makes his roads. Yes. I'm maybe thinking of like giving something to him. So he makes this road. And then up there, you see right up there, he fixes the road right up there. Yes. You see. So I would say these are the mess from my place. But because of their loopholes there, so we put them in those loopholes. And to make sure everything is straight. So people gotta do their own thing. Everybody's doing his own thing, just to make sure things are working the right way. Yeah, I think there's light. The light is not stable. So it's, light is just on and off. On and off. On and off. That's a beautiful view there. You see the beautiful sky. You just can't see the sky, man. You see. That is what it is. That's just how beautiful the country is. People building houses. I live in one of the richest neighborhoods, but even though I don't have money, but, you know, I'm still striving to make this money. I'm not saying like I have a little, but not that much like the billionaires, the trillionaires. Now we are in the millions in terms of our own currency, but in terms of dollar currency, man, we don't even closer to. You know what I mean? So we are in like thousands. Yeah, but it's not bad. Money don't matter, really. Even though they say it matters, but it's not in every situation, in every scenario you think money matters. You're trying to chuck the stuff in there and put it in there to make sure it's in there. Man, you gotta put this stuff. I think this one is already put into. So you just wanna see it runs through that bin, through to that thing. Yes. So these are the balance sheet. I wanna see. So let me show you something. So you see, there's something like a little space in between the timber and the stuff. I'm gonna see. It's difficult really, but maybe I might see. We'll see what happens. I'll get somebody to put, because we don't want the water to be draining. But again, we'll find a way how we control the water, because the water keep draining and there's gonna be the iron bar there. It's gonna rust. So that's what I'm scared of. So I wanna get him back. He's coming to do it back. Yes, I'm gonna get him back to see how we can like extend it a little bit, so we can have something like a hangover. Yes, a hangover, so that when the rain is coming, it doesn't hit. But I'm gonna work on that. So it might not be now, but I'll work on it and see it's done. I wanna make sure this place is really done. And even if I leave and want to rent it, I wanna make it like Airbnb. People can rent it and like you come and stay there decently, have a good time, have a good fun, not disturbance. Rules and regulations should be followed. So that's it. Wait. So you see up there, that's why they put it. They using it to put the stuff there. So that's a long thing. I'm going to show you about taking it from here. It's just empty. Yeah, that stuff's the working with. There's the sand, there's the mold, we hit it, so we're gonna see. And you know, so but I'm sure the finished product will be good and will be ready for consumption. Oh to God. Do it again. Tactic. I mean, you gotta be here when people are walking, or else things will be kind of a background. No. So they left this one because they're gonna use it to flush it with the tile and all of that stuff, so we can see what's happening. So that's the door that was removed. It's a well good made door, but we'll see, maybe to figure it out. This window too, they're gonna remove this one. This one is gonna be removed. And this one too is gonna be removed. And here we're basically gonna be making like a slide window, slide window. So they already gone to get it done. So hopefully maybe Thursday it will be here. But my most important thing is for the time to be fixed. So it's gonna put this one on this side, is gonna be in the bathroom, and this one is gonna be on the wall. So it'll be bright. You want the bathroom to be so dark. So you want it to have that brightness. And even though it's not, to get lights here is difficult, even though it might be a little bit kind of like dark, so that's what you see. We even extended this window. So the window, this up here, this is where the window stopped. So because we needed a lot of light to be in, that's what we decided to extend it from here to here. So it means we can have a little bit of light in the bathroom. So I think that's the mount where the toilet seat is gonna be. And so just watch and see to yourself. And make sure you subscribe to Ansumana Poultry Farm, which is what it is. And we do know our little things here. This is where the founder and CEO of Ansumana Poultry Farm will stay. Hence I come to Sierra Leone, I come to visit. So this is where it's going to be. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time, or you've gone back, you know, it is what it is. So let me just peek through this hole and show you the outside. You know, it looks like a basic, but when it's finished, it's done. Then you really see the beauty, the elegancy of this place. I'm gonna make it really good because when I come, that's where I'm staying. When I come with visitors, they're gonna stay there too. Okay.